Your answer is D. What about the rest?
All of them are D except for Muhammad Nabil, which is C. The answer
Okay,
is
so
C.
we have a C and a D. Can you analyze the units, please?
Uh, yeah, okay.
Start with the
S-
with the title.
C germination with and without. H is 3.
Yes, so C germination with and
With
without. It's very important. With and without H2S treatment. Here we have the hours. This is the percentage. Huh? With and
and without.
without. What is the with and what is the without here?
Oh, I
With which ones?
okay. With it's 500 microliters per liter and 2 microliters per liter, and without is the untreated last one.
510.
Anyway,
Without, this is
not
the
treated.
untreated. لأن دول treated 500. This is 10. So both of them are treated with H2S. The untreated, this is without H2S treatment. Now I understand the text even without reading the text. I don't need the
So
whole text. I need to
I need to understand or I need to
to
read the
complete
passage.
a
Uh, the answer
yes, complete the last sentence. Treatment.
with particular concentrations of HOS with associated information bring down.
For example, so we are dealing with what here?
Uh, as a type of sentence, or are we dealing or just basically
He wants you to
situation of the
focus on what?
on the uh associated with accelerated germination. Uh,
Again?
on the treatment,
Okay,
which was
the accelerated, the treated ones with particular concentrations, was associated with accelerated
accelerated germination.
germination, which means what? Which is faster, the treated or the untreated?
The treatment
The treated, because he said the treated
as
the
accelerated
treatment accelerated germination, made the germination faster. يبقى faster than what?
faster than the untreated.
برافو. Faster than the what? Untreated. Okay, I want you to go to your choice, which is A.
D and C.
Okay, let's analyze D at the very beginning. At
48. More than 70% of these feed with HOS concentration of microbytes per liter. Hydrate. Where its only explosivity of untreated seeds has germinated.
okay, so 70%
Of seeds treated with
of the
H2S.
treated, تمام.
تمام. hadn't
70% من ال 10 had germinated. Whereas like but shows contrast. دول 70% التreated كانوا 70%, whereas only 50 of the untreated had a
untreated seeds germinated.
germinated. يبقى which is faster?
Uh, the H2S treated. I mean,
Treated or untreated?
the treated
يعني treated 70% versus 50 what?
percent.
50%. 70% of the treated ones كان ال 10 و50% ال
untreated
untreated, which means ان ده had faster
germination.
germination. Let's go to it. 48 hours. He said
48.
the 10 اللي هو السكوير. What was the percentage of it?
Uh, hold on. 70%.
70% versus untreated. Untreated, which is the ايه?
50%.
Yes, 50%. يبقى مين اللي عنده germination أعلى؟ التريتد ولا الأنتريتد؟
It treated.
التريتد. Okay. طب let's go. When you say accelerated germination, accelerated يعني made it faster. Faster يعني he wants you to compare in favor of the treated ones. C.
Okay. At 24 hours, less than 10% of seeds treated with H2S at a concentration of 10 micromoles per liter had germinated.
Just a sec. Just a sec here. Okay. Whereas I want to know if it's right or not. At 24 hours, less than 10%
seeds treated with H2S
treated.
at a concentration.
طب تعال كده نشوف. It's correct. Less than what?
Less than I mean less than
مش هو ال 10 اللي هو السكوير؟ ما هي less than 10%. It's correct. طب the second part. But more than 90%
of those seeds had germinated at 168 hours.
طيب 168 اهي السكوير. هو قال more than كام؟
More than 90%. More than this or 9%. Maybe
more than what? More than 90? So the 10 كانوا more than 90?
Yeah.
Is this more than 90?
No,
السكوير
no.
sorry. So
I
it's
thought you.
correct. فعلا. Yes, it's correct. طب why is it wrong?
Maybe because he didn't compare with another treatment.
أيوة.
Yeah, unread.
Excellent. Where is the untreated? He wants us to show that the treatment or the treated ones عندهم accelerating germination more than the untreated. So I need the comparison. هنا the information correct in the table. Sorry, in the graph. But it doesn't complete the text. There is no comparison here. There is no comparison with the untreated ones. Thank you, Anna, so much. Is it clear?
Yes.
Noor, did you answer this question?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, my friends, I want you to type your answers, please, to this question. How do you see that, Yanur?
I solved it B.
You did it B. What about the rest?
I think all of them B, yes.
Mister, I didn't answer.
Okay, try to listen and understand with us, please. So we have a B. Do we have something else?
No.
Okay.
All of them.
Analyze the question itself. Sorry, the units itself. The units themselves. We have concentrations
from Murchison, meteorite, and soil samples in parts per billion.
Okay, so the meteorite, we have 2 samples, and the soil
soil sample
And here, just one sample. And here, these are the items, the elements.
of the nucleus.
Okay, very good. It may be hard, but at least I understand. These are samples of the meteorite, and here are the soil sample. And these are the elements. Number 2, we need to go to,
Which choice?
yes, we want to know the conclusion.
Yes.
We want to support the conclusion. Can you see from the beginning of the sentence, by comparing
the relative constructions of type of molecules known as nucleobases in the Murchison meteorite with those in the soil?
just a
The
sec,
team
just a sec. So he's comparing those
with the soil sample.
with the soil, right?
Yes.
He is comparing. The team concluded that
There is evidence that the nucleobases in the Murchison meteorite formed in space and are not the result of contamination on Earth.
اوكي المترويت اللي هم فين؟
Sample 1 and sample 2.
Okay, the second part are not
The result.
of Earth, the contamination on Earth, which is what?
They're not detected.
Not the excellent, not detected. ما السويل هنا معناها الايه؟
Earth.
الأرث. Which ones بقى يا جماعة كانوا في السبيس في المترويد were not in the soil or not
Earth.
on Earth. مين اللي not detected يا جماعة؟
Isoguanine and purine. Those the first two.
The first two, which is A.
B.
Because they were detected in the first meteoroid samples but not in the soil sample. السويل sample اللي هي الايه؟
Earth.
الارث.